Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Volvo XC90 T6 Momentum. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 316 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Beige leather interior, dark wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, third row seating, XC90 T6 all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, keyless go, rear view backup camera with sensors, touchscreen media display, navigation, climate controls, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, automatic transmission, or different driving modes. This Volvo has 47,837 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volvo, check out feldmanimports.com.